Hi guys, I'm going to start a new video series. It really has nothing to do with real estate in a way it does. In September of 2019, I was diagnosed with MS, which not very many of you know. It's been pretty private. I've been doing a lot of internal research and figuring out, how to handle something like that. It's very scary when you get diagnosed with something like that, but what I'm finding is that there are many people on similar journeys that I'm on. So I'm hoping that by posting some short videos of what my process has been and what I'm still going through and sharing that hopefully it will help other people. That's really my number one goal, is to try to help other people. So when I was diagnosed, of course, it's very scary, and I immediately, being the type of person I am, dove into what is it, what causes it, how can I treat it, and found out that it's the very mysterious disease. It's caused by lesions on your nerve endings, and it causes your nerves to misfire. So everybody that has it is totally different, which makes it very difficult because you don't have a lot of people to talk to. But what I did find out is that there are things that you can do. Inflammation in your body is the number one thing that really makes it worse. And it's an autoimmune disease, and there's many other autoimmune diseases that some of you may be facing too. And so what I've figured out and what I'm going to share through some of the videos, I'm going to probably post 1 or 2 a week, is just things I've learned of how to control the inflammation in my body. In the next episodes or next videos that I do, I'm going to talk about, ways that I have figured out how to relieve stress. And for my fellow realtor friends, we all know that that's one of our biggest issues being realtors is knowing how to deal with the stresses. And the world we live in has created a lot of the stress. We live in a fast-paced world, and we have to figure out how to slow that world down and focus more on ourselves. And the second thing is diet, and I have really adopted a pretty strict diet. I think there's modifications that people could do that would, extremely help them. So I'm just hoping that through the video posts that there will be some tidbits that you can pick out, and hopefully you guys will share back with me if you have ideas and you have things that work. So I will be posting these, in the coming weeks, and hopefully, if there's enough of us, we may want to create a Facebook group, or I may want to create a YouTube channel, but just wanted to share and really help other people. Thanks.